Today I got a security door bar chain fell off. These are hardly worth messing with, but this one I figured shouldn't be too difficult. Let's pull it out here. And separate this here. All we got to do is split the two sides. Just like so. And then we can rerun our chain down through like so. Squeeze it down and reset it. No biggie. Have a drill, it'll make it even faster. And you can buy replacement kits for these if you need to, but anyway, this one is all set there. Good to go. Now we can lock it, and the secondary, and lock the secondary lock. Now, my advice is if you're setting this up as a rental unit or temporary unit, is when you leave these, don't put the secondary key in until you've had a chance to show them how it operates, because a lot of times people don't understand the secondary lock and they, oh, I can't get it open, break, and then they break it off. So just a little strategy for survival there. You know, the unit's empty and vacant, it's you're less worried about someone trying to break in. Obviously, do what you got to do. If you're meeting somebody there, then and you can show them and leave the secondary lock. But if somebody else is doing it, you might leave it hanging until they've been shown how it works. Otherwise, you might have some broken ones of these, which I get a lot of.